Okay.
Oh wait, shit. Okay.
What's up, YouTube? Alright, so this is gonna be my very first hair reviewing, beauty and hair reviews and all of that stuff, how to make a wig, all of that stuff. Get ready with me. I'm gonna start doing that kind of stuff at least once a week. I'm gonna shoot for twice a week, but yeah. So the hair that I'm reviewing today is Iseehair. How long have I had this hair? I don't know, but this hair lasts a very long time, guys, if you're doing what you need to do. So the texture of the hair that I purchased from Iseehair is the Mongolian Kinky Curly. So I already sorry guys, I already made the wig previously from a previous install that I did on myself a couple months ago, and I'll insert a video or a clip or something, a picture showing you the wig. But anyway, so I purchased from them a frontal. I think it's a 16-inch frontal of the Mongolian Kinky Curly hair. Here it is. Just took it out the bag. Haven't even opened it yet, guys, so you're gonna get some raw shit. Okay, so I'm gonna go on ahead and show you guys the wig that I already had with the frontal off or whatever. It's been bleached, it's not wet, it's just at its natural state. I haven't even washed it or anything. Here it is. And it still has its pretty little curls, as you can see. I don't think there's anything on it. I think the last time I wore it, I actually washed it, but that's it. This is the hair. That's the curls. But yeah, you do what you're supposed to do with curly hair in general. It'll last a minute. That wig that I just showed you guys, I installed that back in September. I think I installed it in September or August. Might have been August, but the hair still looks good. I just needed a new frontal because I don't know if I received a bad frontal, because to me it was perfectly fine. I guess I over plucked it. I don't know, shit looked good anyway, but yeah. So yeah, so I'm gonna go on ahead and unravel this and show you guys how it looks without being washed and all of that goody good shit. Okay, this is how it looks. It has little baby hairs right here, but this is how we're looking. The lace is white, so yeah, I'm gonna have to do some shit to that. But here's the curls. Pretty ass tight curls, guys. If I place this shit on my head, this is how we looking. Yeah. So I'm gonna have to bleach them motherfuckers. Oh shit. I'm gonna have to bleach it. So, show you guys how it looks combed out with my hands, hand combed. You're not gonna have no perfect curly hair. I haven't got that much shedding from that wig that I just showed you at all. I deep condition it. I wet it while I'm in the shower all the time, every day. I do that every day. I detangle it when I get out the shower and it's wet, and I put the conditioner in it, leave-in conditioner and all that extra stuff, and it is perfectly fine. Nothing happens. It's all good. that thing. For the frontal, I paid maybe $54 just for the frontal. If you guys go on Iseehair.com or Iseehair on Instagram and go on their website, it's gonna be a totally different price, guys. This is how the hair looks when you got it combed out. Yeah, the hair, the prices on Iseehair compared to Amazon are totally different. For the frontal alone, just comparing prices to Iseehair company and the Amazon. On Amazon, it was $50-something, and that's what I went with. But on the Iseehair on Instagram, their website, it was about $90 for a 16 inch. But yeah, I was gonna go through Iseehair, but then I looked at the prices and I was just like, there's no point. And I ain't gonna say I'm being cheap, but it's the same hair, you get the same shit. But yeah. Supporting the baby hair, the curly whirls. Yeah. But I'm actually gonna film myself putting the frontal onto the wig that I already have made tomorrow, not today, because I'm cooking and I just want to chill, because you know, it's that time of the month and I'm not feeling my best, so yeah. So catch me later.